Hey everybody, today I'm going to make some quick tortillas and I'm using a bowl. I like these metal bowls, some flour, a little bit of salt. I like some vegetable oil, in this case canola oil, and some warm water. If you don't have a kettle, you just can heat it up in the microwave. And that's pretty much all you need. And of course, to roll the dough, either you need a rolling pan, or if you're lucky enough, one of these, that's a tortilla press. And that's pretty much all you need. And a little spatula helps you to mix the dough. First thing to do, you're going to place the flour, and I'm going to use all that flour. I'm not even measuring. I'm just putting it all in there. Everything I do, I pretty much wing it, and it always has to one degree always worked out. Drizzle a little bit of oil. This is a canola oil. Couple of drizzles. And next thing, a little pinch of salt. Ta-da! And last but not least, I start with a little bit amount of hot water and then add more and more until the consistency is right. And you're about to see, I will slowly add more and more and more. Obviously I need a lot more. We're almost there, a little bit more. Folding over till all the flour is completely blended in. It looks already like a nice dough. By the way, I like these spatulas who are made out of one consistent piece of silicone instead of having two pieces. In the past, the head has come off, and I like these a lot. They make it very easy to fold everything over, and it already looks like some nice dough. Consistency feels good. Alright, now the next step is happening. The dough is ready, it looks really good, and I'm very lucky that I have this tortilla press. Before, all I did was placing a little golf-sized ball into a cut open Ziploc bag and then rolled it out within in the Ziploc bag. Now I'm just placing that Ziploc bag in the press and press it. So if you don't have the press, all you can do, and you even can use a bottle and roll it and then remove it and place it in a hot skillet. But since I have this press, I'm gonna show you guys how that press works. You open the press, open the Ziploc bag, place the Ziploc bag right here, take a little ball, place the ball right there, fold this. Alright, now you take the pressed tortilla and just place it into a hot skillet. That's gonna come on. And let's see where this one is. Alright, look at this. So this is a tortilla warmer. You can place them, store them in there, and once the tortilla is ready, you just put it in there and it keeps it warm.